Here are my top sleep solutions when it comes to tech this year. I'm the CyberGuy. A sleep study using Apple Watch discovered that just 31% of us are getting enough sleep. And yes, a lot of it has to do with the choices we make that have us toss and turn more than other people. Well, what else can you do to help design a better sleep strategy? Tap into proven tools. These are my top picks for the best meditation apps and videos. First, Headspace offers a sleep-based guided meditation that uses tools and techniques to relax your body. You can try a 2-week free trial or become a Headspace subscriber and take their 30-day sleep course. Next, if you've got Netflix, check out the series that they created with Headspace called Guide to Sleep. It's got 7 episodes and each one helps offer tips and disputes misconceptions when it comes to sleeping. Another option is the Calm app. It offers sleep stories, music, meditation, and more, plus some of their sleep stories are narrated by celebrities like LeBron James, Matthew McConaughey, or Laura Dern. If you use Peloton, whether you ride their bike or just work out using their app, you may not have even known that there are over 1,300 meditation sessions available. You can choose a class focusing in on breathing, deep relaxation, healing, gratitude, and others. Finally, Better Sleep not only helps you fall asleep using their bedtime stories, guided meditations, and premium sleep sounds, it also offers an in-app sleep tracker. There's a free 7-day trial if you want to give it a shot. Otherwise, they're going to make you shell it out for a subscription. For more advice on how to use tech to better your sleep each night, head to cyberguy.com and search sleep. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.